Hey there, data enthusiast. Ready to dive into the wild world of data science? Grab your coffee, because we're about to embark on a journey that's as exciting as it is data-packed. So, you're thinking about a career in data science? Buckle up, because here's your step-by-step guide to slaying it in the data jungle. First things first, let's talk degrees. You'll want to snag a bachelor's in computer science, math, stats, or the almighty data science itself. Next up, let's get nerdy with it. Python, R, SQL. These aren't just letters of the alphabet, they're your new best friends. Now, let's roll up those sleeves and get hands-on. Projects, hackathons, open source. The data world is your oyster. Certifications? Yeah, they're like badges of honor in the data realm. CAP, Microsoft, Google. Pick your poison and show off your data prowess. Time to rub elbows with the data elite. Meetups, conferences, workshops. It's all about who you know in this data game. Pissed. The learning doesn't stop here. Stay ahead of the curve with online courses, workshops, and all things data. Now, let's talk titles. Data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer. The data world's got more roles than a Broadway show. Ready to shoot for the stars? Google, Facebook, Amazon. Aim high and join the data giants. Last but not least, gear up with the right tools. Python, R, SQL. It's like a data scientist's version of a superhero utility belt. Subscribe for more insights into the world of data science.